guys, welcome back to Fresh Bee. In today's video, we'll talk about the latest off-campus placement drive from Atos. So Atos is hiring for the position of a trainee engineer from all the 2020 batch graduates. So in this video, I have mentioned all the detailed information regarding this job. So the information such as the job role, the job location, the roles and responsibilities, and the CTC they are providing, the eligibility criteria. So all this information we'll discuss in detail in further video. So if you are new to the channel, then please don't forget to subscribe. I come up with this kind of videos daily, so please don't forget to subscribe to get all the updates regarding such job openings. I'll also provide the link for this job in the description box of the video, so please go to that link if you are willing to apply. So let's move forward with the today's video. So next we'll see about Atos. Atos is a French multinational information technology services and consulting company which is headquartered in Bezons, France, and offices worldwide. It specializes in high-tech transactional services, unified communication, cloud, big data, and cybersecurity services. So Atos was founded mainly in 1997, and the current CEO of Atos is Elie Girard, and the total revenue of Atos is around 1,158 crores. So that is the basic information about Atos. So next we'll see about the job role. So the job role they are hiring for is of a trainee engineer, and this will be a full-time job, and the job location will be Pune, and the roles and responsibilities they are expecting are the candidate will be working in the field of infrastructure and data management business line of Atos, and the candidate's primary role will be to provide L0 and L1 level support to various Atos clients, and third will be candidates will be working in the areas of networking, database, cloud services, Windows, service desk, digital workplace, and other IT infrastructure technology related services. So these are the basic roles and responsibilities of this job role. So the CTC they are hiring this job for. So they'll provide a CTC of around 3.1 LPA to all the BE and BTech grads, and 2.3 LPA for BSc and BCA holders, and 2.5 for MSc and MCA holders. So also make a note that there will be a 2-year service agreement for all the candidates who will be finally selected for this job role. So you have to sign a service agreement of 2 years for this job. So next we'll see about the eligibility criteria. So the very first eligibility criteria is only 2020 passing students from IT, computer science, electronics and telecommunication, and electronics and instrumentation can apply for this job, and no active backlog should be there. Candidates should have minimum score of around 60% throughout the academics including the degree. Only 1 year of gap is allowed between 12th and graduation. Any other gap is not allowed. Only Indian nationals can apply. So make sure that you fit in all these eligibility criteria, then and then only you are eligible for this drive. So the event plan will be like this. There will be a pre-placement talk on 4th of December. So this will be like a virtual connect with eligible students who have registered, and on 5th and 6th of December they'll conduct the online assessments for the same, and on 7th of December they'll declare the results, and the final interviews will be scheduled on 10th and 11th of December. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and please do subscribe to Fresh Bee so that you can get all the latest information and updates regarding such various off-campus placement drives. And please apply as soon as possible for this drive. Only limited time is there for this application, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.